Are you looking for the best craft kit? In this video, we will look at some of the top craft kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, we have the Klutz Make Your Own Soap Craft Kit. The dimensions of the unit are 8 by 2 by 9 inches and it weighs around 1 pound. This is a complete kit for melting and molding up to 10 soaps from scratch. It is recommended for children aged 6 to 15 years. The kit includes an instruction booklet, 20 blocks of clear soap base, 20 color tablets, cosmetic grade glitter, coconut papaya fragrance, skin-safe soap stickers, and soap molds in 6 different shapes. The mold shapes include a galaxy star, an emoji cat, a peace sign, a fun fish, a cupcake, and a spiral mold. Children can start with a basic star and work their way to a 2-tone peace sign. The 36-page booklet has step-by-step instructions, suggestions, and tips and tricks on how to avoid common problems. It also contains fun facts in chemistry and easy science experiments that children can do right in the kitchen. The Make Your Own Soap Craft Kit comes with additional items that children can use in their soap creations, such as a toy fish, ribbon, a gift tag, a gift box, and 2 paper boats. At number 2, we have the Rainbow Loom Bracelet Craft Kit. The dimensions of the unit are 12 by 10 by 2 inches and it weighs around 1.7 pounds. Rainbow Loom by Chune's Design won the Toy Industry Association's Toy of the Year Award in 2014. It encourages children to explore and use their imagination while developing fine motor and problem-solving skills and promoting creativity and social interaction. Children can use the Rainbow Loom to make an endless assortment of creations such as bracelets and action figures. The kit is intended for children age 7 and older and is not recommended for children 3 years and younger. This all-in-one Rainbow Loom Bracelet Craft Kit contains a rainbow loom, a mini loom, 1,800 rubber bands, 75 C-clips, instructions, and an all-new bracelet display rack. The bracelet display rack can hold up to 20 bracelets. The kit also comes with a storage case that has 5 lidded compartments to keep the accessories organized. The storage case is great for travel use. It has a carry handle and a Velcro strap to keep it closed. At number 3, we have the 4M Crystal Growing Experimental Kit. The dimensions of the unit are 8.5 by 9.5 by 3.25 inches and it weighs around 1.05 pounds. This is a great educational gift for children aged 10 years and older. It teaches children about the beauty and complexity of crystal growth and comes with complete instructions for conducting 7 different crystal growing experiments. Children can watch as the crystals grow and begin to sparkle. Once they are grown, they last indefinitely and can be kept as souvenirs. This kit comes with a special display case that the crystals can be stored and admired in. These hands-on crystal experiments will teach children about scientific principles while providing them with tangible results. The 4M Crystal Growing Experimental Kit includes crystals in different shapes and colors and everything your children will need to get started, so there's no need to shop for additional supplies. At number 4, we have the Made by Me Create Your Own Bead Pets. The dimensions of the unit are 12.75 by 9 by 13 inches and it weighs around 12 ounces. This kit allows children to decorate and personalize their very own bead pets such as frogs, bunnies, puppies, and many more. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions and is recommended for children aged 6 and up. The kit contains over 600 beads in a variety of bright colors that can be coordinated in many ways using the satin cords. It comes with 20 yards of satin cord as well as 6 key rings, 4 lanyard clips, and a storage box. Children can attach their bead pets to the key rings and lanyard clips and display them on their backpacks and other accessories. They can also swap them out with their friends or become budding entrepreneurs. The Made by Me Create Your Own Bead Pets kit is created by Horizon Group USA, America's leading provider of craft activity kits. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the original Stationery Unicorn Slime Kit. The dimensions of the unit are 5 by 5 by 5 inches and it weighs around 2.4 pounds. The Unicorn Slime Kit provides the perfect combination of fun and learning and is designed for children aged 6 and up. The kit contains a helpful guide with clearly written recipes to create over 100 combinations of slime. The slime ingredients are 100% hypoallergenic and safe for children. The kit comes with loads of supplies that will spark a child's curiosity and creativity, such as foam beads, food coloring, scents, flake glitter, snow powder, cutting and mixing tools, clay for butter slime, borax, and glue. It also comes with airtight storage containers that will keep their slime creations from drying out. The Unicorn Slime Kit is lab tested for safety. It is approved for USA and EU standards, ASTM standards, and EN71. So that sums up the top craft kits. We hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.